Wasn't that helpful? Hi everyone, we're back. It's Caroline and Tina with another one of your questions.
Hi Caroline and Tina. I'm in a bit of a predicament at work. My boss has terrible breath. Like, plug your nose, hold back the gag reflex, bad breath. I don't want to disrespect him, but this has got to stop. I would want to know if I had that putrid of a stank. Should I tell him? He's your superior. Suck it up, but not through your nose.
Breathe through your mouth maybe when you're around him.
Did you do the CPS reports? I feel that there's like less obvious ways of mouth breathing.
Really? I'm practicing to be a bartender and I made this drink and maybe put some mouthwash in it.
Like, you're the worst bartender. You're like, also don't swallow it. Like,
Yeah, this drink is meant to be swished and spit out.
the alcohol will just seep in through your cheeks.
Just be like, oh, I smell some stinkiness. Do you smell that? And maybe just like peer pressure him into smelling it. as
Every
well.
time he's around, be like, so strange. I'm getting a smell. Are you smelling that?
Where's that coming from?
What? I'm
Maybe
not
try to
sure.
like sniff around, see if he avoids you with his mouth. He's like, it's not me. But if he's just like, I don't know. Then maybe you need like a anonymous letter, maybe. Like cut out the letters in the magazine.
I'm sorry, I got distracted.
Great. You could come up with the idea of having like a suggestion box in the office and then just encourage everyone to put in about his bad breath and only he gets to read them. So he doesn't have to share it with anyone. Maybe that's how this man feels. He just wants to know.
He needs to know. Every night he goes back to his house and he's like, dear God, is something wrong with me?
Why don't I have any friends?
Why won't people talk this close to me?
I like to be intimate in my conversations. At least that's something he can actually control.
If he had like a horrible looking face.
That's something you
That's
just
something
don't talk about.
You couldn't confront him about that. You couldn't be like,
No.
your face is just bothering me. I think you need to do this because you care about your fellow man.
Yeah. This is really just taking a step for all people.
All humanity.
Good.
Oh.
Good luck.
Okay.
We're proud of you.
You can do it. We love you.
Wasn't that helpful? If you have a question and you need our advice, tweet at us, email us, or leave it in the comments below and we'll answer it.